Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming back again with another video, and today this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be reviewing this pack of classic monster trucks trading cards. And basically these are monster truck trading cards from the 90s that I guess you could collect back in the day. So I'm going to open up this pack and see what we get. Okay, so I got the cards opened, and here are the classic trucks from this pack. This monster truck is called Heartbeat, Thumper 2, very nice, Liquidator, Bigfoot Fast Break, which is a monster tank, Eldon Depew, a former monster truck driver, Intimidator, Capital City Monster, Samson, the original, Gary Porter, former driver of Carolina Crusher and Gravedigger. That's very cool. No Problem. This monster truck's a classic. Maui Monster. And another No Problem. So that's really cool. Very unusual to see something like this. I may get that one trading card of Gary Porter signed by the actual driver if I ever see him. That would be kind of cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this trading card opening. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.